Hi, my name is Ina, and today I want to share with you some tips that helps you to create animated photos for your Instagram posts, stories, highlights or wherever you want. We know that today people appreciate unique content, so all these typical static pictures might be boring. And now I'm not gonna talk about all these famous apps that helps you to animate sky, water, hair, clouds, or that might be all. I want to tell you about beautiful deep motion that reminds me 3D animation. It looks really beautiful on different types of pictures, like landscape pictures, portrait pictures, and especially beautiful it looks on the pictures with bokeh. And the coolest thing that you don't have to use Photoshop or After Effects anymore. All you need is your iPhone and Flugo app. It creates not only video but also live photo, which I think is really cool. Now I will show you how I create this effect and show you all the process. First of all, we need to select photo. The coolest thing that we can select already edited pictures with amazing lights and beautiful colors and all this smooth skin without any wrinkles. Here we see two different effects: parallax, which is good for different type of pictures, animal, food, fashion or wherever you want, and portrait. As for me, for this type of picture, I prefer portrait effect, so I will select it. By the way, if you need any tips, you just need to tap question mark. Okay, here we can see three layers: foreground, person one and background. First of all, I select foreground. On the picture we see these beautiful red flowers, and now I'm going to select them. Usually I select blurred objects for foreground. Then I select person one. Here we can see already auto-selected objects like nose, mouth, lips, eyes, head. Selection on this app is pretty decent, but I prefer to improve it for a better effect. Here is my nose. For this picture I prefer to remove mouth with rubber because it is really small. I will correct just a little bit my lips, then my eyes, and my head. Done. We also see here accessories layer. Usually I use it to select shoulders or some hair on my face or sunglasses. I also see here some leaves. I want to select them as accessories. It helps you to add some volume and separate from the background. Okay, that's all. Then hair and ears. Usually I'm not very careful with this layer, because at the end everything looks like this. And the last but not least, body and neck. If you want, you also can add some background, but that is not necessary. Done. The next step is animation. You can move these AB buttons wherever you want. Sometimes it might be ridiculous, but this app has many options for a good result. Here we can see these animation settings. They help you to change speed, like this, from super fast to super slow, like this. I usually select 70-75. Map of depth will help you to increase volume of photos. Also, we have this A-frame A and B options that help you to zoom or rotate photo. Next, we see this seamless loop button, which allows you to create infinite motion. When I want to upload video on Instagram, I usually turn it on. Then I select duration. For me, 20 seconds is usually enough. And final step is quality. As you see, app allowed to export 4K video, but I prefer 2.5K. And then let's export. And as you see, rendering process is really fast comparing with After Effects. Nowadays, it is my favorite animation app because it's really very unique. I will leave link to the app in the description, and if you have any questions, leave it in comments. Thanks for watching, guys!